Okay. So we do this one problem. After this, we will do the review exercises. But before going to this one, uh, in previous sessions, we are also discussed like this type of problem, and today we also discuss this type of problem because this is very important problems. These are from our old papers, and I'm telling you the in previous sessions. For the just,
Yes,
so
sir.
our f of x is equal to 4x cube plus 4 of x square plus a of x plus b. Okay, it is given that 2 of x minus 1 is a factor of the both f of x and f prime of x. Look at it here. So f prime of x, we are already discussed. This is our derivative in our previous session. We can find it. How we can find the derivative? As you know, this is the 12 of x square. This is our 8 of x plus a plus b plus b. So for the here, our factor is what? 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is x is equal to 1 over 2. This is the given. This is given. This is the factor. So we put it in both one equations, and after this we can find show that b is equal to 2 and find the value of the a. So if f of 1 over 2 is equal to 4 into 1 over 2 power cube plus 4 into 1 over 2 square plus a of into 1 over 2 plus b plus b. So you know this is equal to what? Equal to 0. Equal to 0. Okay. So this is 4 over 1 over 2. 2 power 3 is 8. So this is 4 over 8. This is 4 over 1 over 2. So 2 power 2 is 4 plus a over 2 plus b is equal to 0. So this is 4 and this is 1 over 2. This is your 1. This is, and this is plus a over 2 plus b is equal to 0. Here we have the b is equal to 2. If we can put the value of the b is equal to 2, this is given. B is equal to 2. So look at it here. 1 over 2 plus 1 plus a over 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. No, for the here, if we are rearranging a over 2 plus 2 plus 3, this is 2 and this is 1. This is 2 and 1, this is 3 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 0. So look at it here. A over 2, here we take the LCM. This is 2, 6 plus 1 is equal to what? So our a over 2 plus 7 over 2 is equal to 0. So it gives, a over 2 is equal to minus 7 over 2. Can you got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Then we are multiplying 2 on both sides. So this is a is equal to what? This is minus of 7. Are you
Yes.
are you
Yeah,
just
can you just give me 1 minute? Someone's knocking on the door.
okay? Okay.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Okay. Look, look at it here.
Sir.
Uh,
Yeah.
we we can do this type, and this type is like this one. This is minus 7 over 2, and this is here, 2 is here is in division format. So this is going to the other side of the equation, converted to the multiplication. So a is equal to minus of 7. Okay.
Okay.
So after this, we are going to our second part of this one problem. Find the remainder when f of x is divided by x of 3. Okay. So we want to find the remainder. Uh, Find the remainder when x is plus 3 is. Okay. Our equation is what? So find the remainder when f of x is divided by uh, so our equation is what I'm just writing. Our equation is 4x cubed plus 4x square plus a of x plus b divided by what? X plus 3. And we want to find the remainder. Look at it here. In our previous sessions, in our previous first one problem, he can bound us, use the values of this one and this one. Okay, but look at it here, using the values of a and b from the part 1, find the remainder. Okay, he can also bound us. So this is your equation will be like this type for x square. So a value is what? This is our a value. We are finding this is our minus of 7. And our b value is what? 2 divided by x plus 3. So how you can divide it? Look at it here. 4x cube plus 4 of x square minus 7 of x plus 2. So our x plus 3. And look at it here. This is the 4x cube divided by x. So x cancel. This is 4 of x square. It's mean our dividend is what? 4 of x square. Now we can multiply this one. So this is your 4 of x cube plus this is your 12x square,
Yeah.
and this is minus, this is also minus, this is cancelled. So it gives us the minus 8 of x square, and rest of the terms are going to the down. This is plus 2. So the minus 8 of x square divided by what? X. So x is cancelled. So our divider is what? The dividend is what? This is the minus of 8 of x. So we are multiplying this one. So this is the minus 8 of x square, and this is minus 24 of x. And now we are, this is your plus, this is your plus. So this is the cancel, and we can separate 24 from the 7. So it gives us the uh, 17 of x plus 2. Can you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 17x divided by x. So x is cancelled to the x. It's mean our dividend is what? This is the plus of 17. So we are multiplying this one. This is the, your 17 of x, and plus 17 multiplied by 3. It gives us the 51. So this is your minus, this is your minus, this is cancel out. So from the here, this is your minus 49. Okay. So
Okay.
our remainder is what? Minus 49. This is your remainder. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So you can go through it. Is there any confusion regarding this one problem?
Okay, I'll go through it, sir.
Okay. Okay. Can I move to the next one?
Just 2 minutes. I'm writing it down also.
Okay. Then we are working this one. Express f of x in the form of 2x minus 1. So our f of x is equal to what? This is 2x minus 1. This is p of x here plus q of x plus r plus r, where p, q, and r are the integers to be the found. To be the found. And we are how we can solve it. So first of all, we can multiply 2 of x. This is your 2p of x cube, 2px cube, and plus 2q of x here plus 2r of x. And then we can multiply, this is your minus p of x here minus q of x minus r. So if we can rearrange it, look at it here, and this is x cube is single one term, so this is as it is, and look at it here, this is x square, this is also x square, so we take x square as common, so this is 2q minus p, and this is x term, so we are taking plus x as common, so this is 2 of r minus q, this is minus of r. Okay. No,
Okay.
we have the equation. So we have the equation is like 4x cube plus 4 of x square, 4 of x square minus 7 of x, and the value of b is what this is equal to, and our we can compare with respect to comparing x cubed. Comparing x cube. So this is your 2p is equal to what? 2p is equal to 4. So p is equal to what? 4 divided by 2. So p is equal to 2. And then after this, we are comparing the x cube square.
Yes.
Comparing x square. So this is your 2q minus p is equal to what? This is equal to 4. So this is 2q minus 2 is equal to 4. So this is 2q is equal to 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. So look at it here. This is 2q is equal to what? 6. So divided by 2 on both sides. And q is equal to what? This is equal to the 3. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, now we are comparing our R, sorry, X. So this is your 2R minus Q is equal to what? Minus of 7. Minus of 7. So Q value is what? Value of the Q is 3. So we are put this is minus 3 is equal to minus of 7. So this is 2R is equal to minus 7. So minus 3 is going to the other side. So this is plus of 3. This is 2R is equal to minus 4. This is divided by 2. So look at it here. R is equal to minus of 2. Got it? Okay.
Got
Yeah. No, you can go through it.
Can you scroll on a little bit more, sir?
Okay, okay.
Okay. Done, sir.
Okay, okay. No. Find the values of the x for which f of x is equal to 0. Okay. So find the values of the x for which. So our f of x is equal to what? Our f of x is equal to 4x cubed plus 4 of x square plus a value is what? The a value of the a is equal to minus of 7. So this is minus 7 of x, and b value is what? This is the a 2. So f of x is equal to what? Equal to 0. That's why on the behalf of this one I'm writing equal to 0. So our, from here we take the 4x as common, 4x which is common, so this is your x plus 1, and no, this is but look at it here. So for find the value of the x for which look at it here. If we are taking our common one, this is 7x plus 2. Look at it here. This is not okay. This is not okay. So this one is, we are removing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at it here. This is your this is your 2 of x minus 1, and this is your p of x square plus q of x plus r is equal to 0, and this is your 2 of x minus 1, and we already find the values of the p and q. P value is what? 2, q is 3, and r is minus 2. So we put it uh, 2 of x
Yes, sir.
plus 3 of x minus 2. These are the values. Let me check again for cross double verification. 2, 3, and minus of 2. 2, 3, 2, 3 minus. Yeah, this is the, look at it here. This is your 2 of x minus 1 is equal to 0. And this is your 2 of x square plus 3 of x minus 2 is equal to 0. So from the here, this is x is equal to 1 over 2, and we take the LCM. We take the LCM, sorry, we take, no, we check the our factors. So our factors are what? This is our factor is minus 4 of x square. If we make the factor, this is minus 4 of x square, and if we can add or subtract, this is your 3 of x, 3 of x. So you know this is 4 and 1. This is 4 and 1. 2 of x square plus 4 of x minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2 of x is taking as common. So this is your x plus 2, and from here this is minus 1 is common. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. And from here this is x plus 2 is as common. So our x plus 2 as common, and 2 of x minus 1 is equal to 0. Got it?
Yeah.
After this, look at it here. Our this is our x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So plus 2 is going to the other side. This is the minus of 2. So x is equal to what? Minus 2. So this is the 2 of x is equal to plus 1, minus 1 going to the other side. So this is your x is equal to what? 1 over 2. Okay.
Yeah.
So any confusion? Please take your time and check it. And
So just give me a second. I think
yeah, yeah.
someone's knocking on the door. That's
Okay, okay.
yes, sir. I'm back. I'm sorry.
Okay, and look at it here. This is very
Yes.
important step, because before of this one we are doing direct factors, and this is impossible, and we can't solve it. No, we can adopt this one equation, and you know, in our this is from our third one part. This is from our third one part, and then we are already find the p, q, or r values. Then we are put it in this format, and this is our quadratic equations, and in this manner this is our quadratic equation, and we can do this one problems. Okay.
Okay. Can you scroll a bit down? Don't say.
Okay.